What is the Community Spouse Resource Allowance for elder law Medicaid? Have you ever wondered how couples can protect their finances when one partner needs long-term care? The Community Spouse Resource Allowance, often referred to as CSRA, plays a significant role in this situation. It is a rule under Medicaid that helps the spouse who remains in the community, ensuring they do not face financial hardship while the other spouse receives care. When one spouse enters a nursing home or qualifies for Medicaid-funded long-term care, the institutional spouse must spend down most of their assets to qualify for assistance. This is where the CSRA comes in. It allows the community spouse to keep a portion of the couple's combined assets. This is designed to prevent what is known as spousal impoverishment. The CSRA is determined based on the total countable assets owned by the couple on a specific date, usually the first day the institutional spouse enters a facility. The assets are then divided according to state rules, which vary. In states classified as 50% states, the community spouse can keep half of the couple's combined assets. However, there are limits. For example, in 2025, the maximum amount a community spouse can retain is approximately $157,920. The minimum amount is about $31,580 for dollars. If half of the couple's assets fall below this minimum, the community spouse can keep that minimum amount. Conversely, if half exceeds the maximum, the community spouse is limited to the maximum amount. In 100% states, the rules are a bit different. Here, the community spouse may retain all of the couple's assets up to the maximum CSRA limit. This can provide a greater sense of financial security for the community spouse. The main goal of the CSRA is to ensure that the community spouse has enough resources to maintain a reasonable standard of living while the institutional spouse receives the necessary care. This allowance is a vital part of Medicaid asset protection and planning in elder law. It helps couples avoid financial difficulties due to one spouse needing long-term care. Elder law attorneys and Medicaid planners often utilize the CSRA to guide couples on how to manage and protect their assets before applying for Medicaid. Understanding the limits and rules for their specific state is essential for effective Medicaid planning. This knowledge helps preserve the financial security of the community spouse, ensuring they can maintain their quality of life even during challenging times.